Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture in R Programming for Data Science. The aim of this lecture is to introduce you to programming and developing practical skills using R as a tool. Learning outcomes of the lecture is to learn to practice programming techniques, understand the foundations of coding, analyze different problems, and implement the programming solutions. Let's start by introducing R. R is a language and environment for statistical computing and graphics, language and environment which was developed at Bell Laboratories in 1976. Why R? R is available as free software, huge team of writers and statisticians happy to share their libraries for free, huge R development community, popular for analytical purposes in companies. How can we create the first R script? By going to File, clicking New File, and creating an R script. By clicking R script, we will have this environment when we can type the code print hello world and run your code. The result will be given in the console part. As you can see, the code is executed. RStudio consists on two important parts, the script part and console part. You can type and run your code in both parts. Code with many rows is better to run in the script part. Console part will show the results when you run code in the script part. Code written in the console will not be saved into script part. Therefore, it is recommended to use console when you want to write a code that you don't want to save, and use script part to write many lines of codes that you can save and go back when you need. Console part has a command line or prompt line sign, as you see the blue sign here. Whenever you see the sign, R is not doing anything, just waiting for your input. To run lines of codes in R, you select the line of code and then you can press run. As you see here, we have two lines, line 1 and line 2 of code. In the script part, we want to print only the 2 plus 3 results. Therefore, we select this line, press run, and we get the results in the console part. To run a specific set of lines in R, you select them from the script and press run. For example, we have line 2 and 3 here that we want to run. We select both of the lines, we press run, and we get the results for each line below in the console. To save files as a R script. So as you see, we have the codes we have used so far: print hello world, print 2 plus 3, print 10 plus 2. We want to save this R script in order to get back later. How we do that? We go to File, we press Save File, we choose the location to save the file, the name of the file. In my case, I have chose the location document R. I have chose my file as a name. You see, my file has a .r, meaning that this is an R file. After I have chose the name of my file, I can press save. And as you see, here my file script was untitled. After I have saved it, the name changed. Now is my file, meaning that this file have been saved in R, and we can go and find whenever we want to use the code lines that we have included in that file. In this case, we can select each of the lines we want and run again each code we want. This is how we start with R, and we can start to do more complicated stuff.